Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Eustis, Florida, where on January 12, 2020 at 10:24 p.m., a Eustis police officer observed a gold Toyota swerving between lanes several times near the intersection of North Bay Street and East McDonald Ave. After following the vehicle more closely, the driver ran a steady red light. The officer then activated his emergency lights and initiated a stop outside Central Florida Mowers as his investigation begins.
Hello. Hi, I'm Officer. Do you mind rolling the window down a little bit more? Hi, I'm Officer. The Eustis Police Department. The reason why I pulled you over is because you failed to come to please stop at that stoplight. Do you have your registration on you as well? Do you mind grabbing that for me? You know what you're grabbing for me? You know what you're getting for me, right?
What's that?
You know what I need, right? I've asked you several times already.
Yeah, my insurance.
You already gave me your insurance.
Okay.
Yeah, I asked you for your registration as well.
Okay, there was not in there?
No, sir.
Okay, I thought it was all in there.
Okay. Alright, sir, I'm gonna ask you to stay put right here. I'll be right back. If you find your registration, put it out the window. Alright, sir. Sir. Alright. So how much you been drinking tonight?
Not much?
Not much? Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's that beer can in the center console for?
Way before. That's like, it's like way.
Where are you coming from?
I just come from a party over Eustis.
Okay. We're at in Eustis.
Way out in Umatilla.
Umatilla now, not Eustis?
Yeah, kind of like way out there.
Okay.
Eustis. I just. But
Alright, sir. Stay put right here. I'll be right back, okay? Don't mind coming over there and stand by that officer over there. Alright, sir. So I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay? So if you don't mind looking at me, I'm going to ask you if you'd be willing to participate in some standard field sobriety exercises.
okay.
Alright, are you willing to do that for me?
Good.
Okay. Alright. So for this exercise, I'm going to ask you for a couple exercises to do. So are you under the care of a doctor?
No,
Like
not
a dentist or anything?
No.
Do you have any hindrances to keep you from doing these exercises? For instance,
No.
any leg problems?
No.
What about, do you have any, anything wrong with your eyes or anything like that?
Not that I know of.
Not that you know of?
No. But I mean, I have a problem with my eyes, but I don't do. Okay.
Alright, well, if you don't mind, stand right on that line for me, please.
Okay. Right there.
Right there. Alright, stay right there. I'll be right back. I forgot something.
Feet
How I'm
together?
doing,
Feet
yes,
together?
sir.
Okay.
And arms down by your side like so.
Okay.
Okay? You're gonna keep your head straight, looking at me, and you're gonna follow this stimulus or this pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
I'll try. Yeah.
Do you understand?
I'll try to understand.
Do you want me to go over the instructions again?
Yeah, go you please.
Alright, so you're gonna place your feet together like you're doing.
Right, they are.
Hands
Okay.
down by your side like so. You're gonna keep your head straight, and you're gonna keep your eyes on this pen and your eyes only.
Okay.
Do not move your head. Do you want to take your glasses off?
Okay. No, I need my glasses.
Do you mind if you take your glasses off?
No, I need my glasses.
You want to keep your glasses
Yeah.
on? Okay. Remember, keep your head still and you're moving with your eyes and your eyes only. Alright? Remember, keep your head still. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Alright. Alright, so this next exercise is called the walk and turn. So for this exercise, if you don't mind stand on this line, and you're gonna face me.
I'm gonna stand on this line?
Stand on that line and you're gonna face me, okay?
Okay.
Alright, before we get started, do you agree that this is a flat surface?
Alright, well, I don't know, but I'm gonna walk. What line am I talking about? Like, where are we going?
You're just gonna stand facing me, like so.
Alright.
Like perfect,
Alright.
alright?
Okay.
Alright. So for this exercise, you're gonna place your left foot directly in front of you, and your right foot, correction, my bad. Place your left foot on,
My left foot, and then
yes,
my right foot?
and you're gonna place your right foot directly in front, like
Alright.
so, okay?
Alright.
You're gonna maintain this position until I tell you to begin, so go ahead and get in this position.
Alright, but I'm gonna go left, and then
Put
go
your right foot in front of your left foot, like I am doing. And your arms down by your side.
Okay.
You're gonna maintain this position until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
Alright, do you understand?
Yeah.
When I tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. Basically 9 heel-to-toe steps straight. You're gonna make a turn, which I will demonstrate for you, and you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Do you understand?
Alright.
Alright, so I'm gonna demonstrate for you. So for the purpose of this exercise, it's gonna be like this, okay? 1,
Oh, go heel to heel.
yes, heel to heel. 2, 3, and so on until you reach 9. This will be your turn that I am going to demonstrate for you. It's a series of small steps like so. You're going to keep your left foot on the line and make a series of small steps like so. Come back to this position where the right foot is in front of the left foot,
Alright.
and then take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. Do you understand?
Alright, yes.
Okay. You'll need to look at your feet, count your steps out loud, and keep your arms by your side once you start, okay? Do not stop walking. This is a continuous exercise. Do you understand?
Alright.
Remember to stay in the instructional phase.
We're going 9.
Remember to stay in this stance that I told you to stand in, okay?
We're going 9.
You're not in the instructional stance.
Okay.
Remember, right foot in front of your left foot. heel to toe.
I'm gonna go right, or can I start? Does it matter when I start with? Does it matter when I start with?
Like I told you, so place your left foot directly in front of your right foot.
Alright.
Like so. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back.
Alright.
You may begin.
Yes, sir. We're going to turn around and do it again?
Yes. Yeah. Okay, for this next exercise, it's called the one-leg stand. Okay? So I need you to place your feet together and arms by your side like so.
Alright. I can't do this when I'm like regular, sober, like whatever that. Alright, but that's fine.
Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise either leg that you want, either your right or your left, approximately 6 inches off the ground. Do you understand?
Alright. Alright.
I'll demonstrate for you in a second, okay? You're going to keep that raised foot parallel and both legs straight. Do you understand?
Okay.
And you're going to, when I tell you to begin, you're going to keep your arms by your side, look at your raised foot, and count out loud in this manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Alright. You're going to show me?
Yes, I am. So it's like so. Whichever leg that you decide to raise, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and keep going until I tell you to stop, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
So we're going to do
I didn't tell you to begin yet, sir.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
You may begin. I didn't tell you to stop.
Oh, I thought you said 6.
No.
I'm sorry.
Alright, you may stop.
I'm sorry, I thought you said 1006.
No, I said until I tell you to stop.
Alright, I'm sorry. I didn't understand.
Okay. Well, I asked if you understood. You said you understood.
Well, I thought you said 1006. I'm sorry.
Okay. So this next exercise is called the finger to nose, okay?
Okay.
For this exercise, you're going to stand with your feet together.
Okay.
You're going to make a fist with both hands and extend your index fingers like so. All right?
Okay.
Are you watching me?
I'm watching.
All right, get in this stance. Make your fist into a ball and put your index fingers out like so. I need you to get in this position.
Right, I'm listening.
Okay. All right. Then extend both of your index fingers and turn your palms forward, placing your hands by your side like this.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Remain in this position until I explain the task. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. When I say to begin, you're going to tilt your head back at a 45-degree angle and close your eyes, okay? I will give you the command either left or right. When I say right, you will bring your finger, your right index finger, up to your nose, touch the tip of your nose, and then put it back down, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
When I say bring your left index finger up and touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose, and then you'll return it to your side, like so, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's going to look like this. You watching me?
Yeah.
Alright. Put your head back. If I say right, you're going to raise right, touch your nose, put it back down, okay? Do you understand?
And left.
Left, same thing. Touch your nose, put it back down. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So go ahead and tilt your head back. And may begin. Left. Right. Tilt your head back. Keep your head back.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Eyes closed. Left.
Oh.
Keep your head back. Eyes closed. Right. Right.
Right.
Keep your head back. Left. All right, you can open your eyes and straighten your head. Keep on standing down. For the sets exercise, I'm gonna have you face this officer, okay? For the sets exercise, I'm gonna have you face this officer. You're gonna put your hands on so, and then touch him from behind, okay? So go ahead and face him. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back, man. Begin. Sir, you're being put under arrest for driving while impaired. I already know about this vehicle in here, okay? This one right here. This one right here. Do you have anything on you that I need to know about?
Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna set you up against this car. I'm gonna search you, okay?
While inventorying the vehicle, a cooler with 5 unopened cans of natural light were found in the back seat. A tumbler was also found in the center console with an odor of alcohol emitting from the container.
Alright, you can go and sit down in the car.
Following the arrest, the suspect, Ricky, was transported to the Eustis Police Department where he submitted a chemical breath alcohol sample of 0.188%. This is over twice the legal limit of 0.08% breath alcohol content to drive in the state of Florida. He was charged with driving under the influence, second offense with enhanced penalties or DUI, and failure to stop at a steady red signal. On September 13, 2021, the defendant pled nola contendere to the DUI charge, and the sentence was formally adjudicated as guilty. Including a $2,100 fine, the defendant was ordered to pay a total of $3,656.82. As of April 15, 2023, $2,526 is outstanding. He was sentenced to 0 days in jail, 12 months on probation, subjected to vehicle impoundment for 10 days, continue attendance at AA meetings, and attend and complete DUI school. Ricky was further sentenced to attend a 12-hour defensive driving school for the failure to stop at a steady red signal offense. On September 12, 2022, 2 years, 7 months, and 28 days after the offense, the defendant's probation was officially terminated.